The Krebs cycle enzymes continued. The man taking a seat to rest his 2 feet is looking up at the fan. This helps you remember that 2 carbon-acetyl-CoA yields in one cycle, FAN, 1 FADH2, 1 ATP, and 3 NADHs. That means that there are 5 very important enzymes to remember in the Krebs cycle. So let's briefly review them. My first question to you is, what enzymes in the Krebs cycle produce NADH? Well, there is 3 of them. The first one being isocitrate dehydrogenase. The 6-carbon isocitrate dehydrogenases into 5-carbon alpha-ketoglutarate. Isocitrate needs to get dehydrogenated, so it's the first chemical in this reaction. The citrus fruit in the evaporating ice can help you remember isocitrate. And the little added bonus, the evaporation is CO2, as the isocitrate loses a CO2 molecule. Next up, we have alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, a key being inserted into the glowing light producing NADH. 5 fingers means 5 carbons for alpha-ketoglutarate to form 4-carbon succinyl-CoA. Imagine mist coming from the keyhole to help you remember the CO2 produced in the process. Last enzyme producing NADH is malate dehydrogenase. Malate gets dehydrogenated into oxaloacetate, the energy emanating from the hammered nail, which reminds me of a mallet, should remind you of the NADH energy produced. Next question. What enzyme produces GTP or ATP? The answer is succinate synthase. Since succinate has to be synthesized, succinate is the product, going from succinyl-CoA to succinate. The double $ here can help you remember the 2 S's for succinyl-CoA to succinate, and also the enzyme itself, succinate synthase. This visual could also help you remember that in order to make good money, you have to have a good gross domestic product, GDP, which will convert to GTP in this enzymatic reaction, or ATP. Last stop and last enzyme. What enzyme produces FADH2? And the enzyme is succinate dehydrogenase. And succinate dehydrogenase converts succinate to fumarate. The man smoking the pipe smoke will help you remember inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and sucking in smoke for succinate, and exhaling and fuming out for fumarate. Remember that sucking in smoke is only a fad for FADH2.